Hi guys, I show you the tools, the code that I created to extract the motion capture data from HSMR tool. So first of all, we need some videos to process, but due to some memory problem of my GPU, I have to split some longest video into a block of 100 frames, and maybe sometimes it works better. It works well with any kind of length, but in other times it doesn't. So in this part I have already created two blocks of 100 frame of this video. It's about 15 seconds long, but to show you how it works, I have just created these two blocks. Anyway, I will work only on the first block of 100 frames, and then you have to repeat the same process for each video. So first of all, the code I created is stored in run obj skin.py, and we can run this command directly from terminal. And what will happen now? It will process all the 100 frames, and as you can see in the output folder, that is this, it creates a folder that is called meshes. In this folder, that now is empty, will be stored every obj file. Let's see. And then we have to wait just a little bit. The process is quite fast because 100 frame is not a tough job for this PC, but maybe some longer process will end with out of memory error of my GPU. Maybe I'll speed up this part in editing the video, but for now let's see what happened. Maybe we can see the memory usage. That is quite big, almost 14 gigabyte of my available 16. This tool only use one GPU. I have two GPU, but the second one is not used. As you can see, also the watts consumption is not very high, so the process does not consume a lot of energy. Now he is extracting the meshes and is storing them inside this folder, as you can see. This part is quite slow because it takes about something between 1 and 2 seconds for each mesh. Okay, the process took about 100 seconds, but I think this is okay, just the final part. So it's about 200 seconds. Maybe we are talking about something around 5 minutes. Okay, this is the folder. Now, if you run this process on the second block of frames, it means okay, it means, as you can see, it creates also the video and the MPZ file that I will not use, so I can delete. The segment, the video just show you the movement and the only the skin part of the mesh, not the bones, because the bones is just full of faces and vertices, so it takes a very long time to extract the mesh, and also a huge amount of VRAM. So if you have to continue just processing the second video, the first thing you have to do is to change the name of this folder, because processing the second video will store the file on top of the previous one. So you have to change the name into meshes 01. Okay, I will not do this process because I've already did it, and these are the total amount of frame and meshes I have extracted. As you can see, they are 570, even if it ends at 569, it starts with number 000. So in total they are 570. Okay, now we have to move on to Windows, and we will continue the process with 3ds Max.